Welcome everyone. Today we'll continue exercise 1.3, question number 2 and question number 3. Class 10th Mathematics, Chapter 1, Real Numbers. Question number 2, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. We already know that 3 is a rational number, 2 root 5 is an irrational number, and their sum will be an irrational number. But to prove this that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number, we will use contradiction method. Let's assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number such that 3 plus 2 root 5 equals to P by Q, where P by Q is a rational number, where Q is not equals to 0. Sometimes when we take rational number in the form of P by Q, it may get difficult while solving. So, to make it simple, we can take A is a rational number, where A is not equals to 0. So, we can rewrite 3 plus 2 root 5 equals to A. 3 is a rational number. Shift 3 to the right hand side. We get 2 root 5 equals to A minus 3. Now to separate 2 from both the sides, divide both the sides by 2. We get root 5 equals to half bracket A minus 3. Now we see half is a rational number, A is a rational number and 3 is also a rational number. It shows that the right hand side is a rational number. Therefore, root 5 is also a rational number. But we know that the square root of a prime number is an irrational number. So we'll write, but we know that 5 is a prime number then square root of 5 is an irrational number. And it shows that our assumption is wrong. What we had assumed, that is not correct. Now we write it contradicts our assumption. So what we had assumed, that was incorrect. 3 plus 2 root 5 is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. Here root 5 is not a rational number, or root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is also an irrational number. Proved. Question 3. Prove that the following are irrational numbers. First part is 1 by root 2, second part is 7 root 5, and third part is 6 plus root 2. We will solve these questions again by contradiction method. Let's assume that 1 by root 2 is a rational number. So we can write this number as 1 by root 2 equals to A, where A is a rational number. A belongs to rational number and A is not equals to 0. We can write 1 equals to root 2a or a root 2. It can also be written as root 2 equals to 1 by a. Since a is not equals to 0, therefore 1 by a is a rational number. It implies that root 2 is a rational number. But we know that 2 is a prime number. Then root 2 is an irrational number. So according to our assumption, root 2 is a rational number, but by the property we know that root 2 is an irrational number. So here arises a contradiction. Now we write, and this contradicts the fact that root 2 is an irrational number. So what we had assumed, it is wrong. So we write, so our assumption is wrong. One by root 2 is an irrational number. Let's try part 2, 7 root 5. Let's assume 7 root 5 is a rational number. So we can take 7 root 5 equals to p by q, where p by q is a rational number and p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. Now we will shift 7 to the right hand side and we'll get root 5 equals to p by q multiplied by 1 by 7. So here root 5 equals to p by q multiplied by 1 by 7 and p by q is a rational number. 1 by 7 is also a rational number. So rational number multiplied by rational number gives rational number. It shows that root 5 is a rational number. But by the property we know that by the property we know that 5 is a prime number then square root of 5 is an irrational number. So again there arises contradiction. We can write Therefore, our assumption is wrong. And 7 root 5 is an irrational number. It proved. Let's do part 3. Let's assume 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. So we can write 6 plus root 2 equals to a, where a is a rational number and a is not equals to 0. It can also be written root 2 equals to a minus 6. Here a is a rational number, 6 is also a rational number. So difference of two rational numbers is again a rational number. It implies that root 2 is a rational number. We write root 2 is a rational number. Again there is a contradiction. We write but it contradicts the fact that if 2 is a prime number, then square root of 2 is an irrational number, and we know that 2 is a prime number. So square root of 2 is an irrational number. So our assumption is wrong. We write so our assumption is wrong. It shows that what we had thought, what we had assumed, that is wrong, and 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Hence proved. Thank you for watching and learning.